Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you very much. In case you're new here, my name is OJ, the African Tiger. Please consider subscribing and hit the notification button to get notified whenever I drop new videos. So today I'm in downtown Kampala to bring you an update on the construction of the NAKIVUBO Stadium. NAKIVUBO Stadium is located in the central business district of Kampala, surrounded by the Ham shopping grounds. Construction has been going on for a while now, since 2017, and till now this is the latest update for you guys to check out. A couple of you guys requested for this video, and I believe there's many others who are interested in seeing the latest updates at the NAKIVUBO Stadium. So please share the video, like and comment down in the section below. Let me know what you think.